Welcome, Advantage Associate, and thank you for participating in our upcoming FedEx iPad installation project. At this point, you should already have conducted a pre-call to the center and coordinated your visit time, also ensuring that they have you set up for success by clearly marking on the FedEx counters where the iPad will be placed, as well as the security bracket. This is an image of the shipping box that you will be looking for in the center. This image displays the contents of that box, including the security bundle, the iPad security case, the security stand, the security tether, which attaches to the security bracket, the security keys for the security tether, the security mounting bracket, screws for the mounting bracket, a small customized screwdriver and small screws for the security case, the bolts that attach the security case to the security stand, super glue to be used as needed, the power cord for the iPad itself, and of course, the iPad. You'll also receive a bag of miscellaneous parts and pieces that you will not use. Here's a closer look at some of those smaller components of the security bundle. In addition to what's been shipped to the store, you'll need to bring some of your own tools. A drill will be required to drill pilot holes for the security bracket on the upright, a 32nd inch drill bit to drill pilot holes for the security bracket on the upright. You may also need a spade bit or hole saw, but that's on an as-needed basis. Here's an image of the instructions on the back of the security bundle box, which can be used as a general outline. Here you'll notice there are 4 holes in the security case itself. These holes will be used to insert the screws that will mount the security case to the security stand. Here you can see the holes that correspond to those holes in the security case. 2 of those holes will not be accessible until the stand has been rotated. This view shows all 4 screws successfully installed to the stand. Notice that the screws are inserted through the inside of the security case. The bolts are on the back side of the security stand, as seen here. You'll notice that there are 4 holes in the security stand that will not be utilized. No further action is needed here. Now you can install your iPad. Simply place the iPad in the case and snap it shut, making sure to note that the home key is accessible through the port designed just for that purpose. You'll do the same on the reverse side of the case for the iPad's camera. Next, you'll notice there are 2 small holes which are outlined here where the final security screws will be installed. Here's a closer look. This view shows those 2 screws successfully installed. Next, you'll locate the POS station where the iPad security bracket is to be installed and where the iPad will finally rest. The manager should have placed blue taped X's in each of these locations. The top is where the security bracket will be mounted. The one on the base here is where the iPad will rest when charging. Next, you'll need to remove the blue tape where the security bracket will be installed. You'll then place the base of the security bracket against the upright and mark those holes using either a pencil or a white grease pencil. We've used a white grease pencil in this case because the upright is black. You'll then drill your pilot holes with the 32nd inch drill bit. And finally, install the bracket base, hand tightening the screws. Place the security base cover over the security base itself, and then install your tether. You'll place the loop of the tether through the security bracket, ensuring that it's over the base cover. Slide the body of the tether through the loop and pull tight. Next, you'll install a locking mechanism on the iPad security case. Simply insert the lock and turn the key, ensuring that it's secure. You may then place the iPad in its final resting location, removing the blue tape first, of course. You'll then need to power the iPad. To do so, locate a power outlet and simply plug the iPad in. If you have to route the power cord around an upright, as is done here, that is acceptable. In some cases, the power outlet may not be this easily accessible, and you'll need to drill through shelving in order to run the power cord. This is where the spade bit or hole saw will come in handy. Just be sure that when you're drilling these holes, if you have to in the shelving, that you're doing it over an open air area, meaning that you're not drilling directly through the shelving and into one of FedEx's counters. We do not have this demonstrated here because it was not the scenario we ran into in this test location, and we expect it to be an anomaly and not the norm. If you have to drill through shelving to run the power cord, it's imperative that you work with the center manager before making that decision. Always try to route the power cable around shelving if possible, where anywhere there's a gap. The goal is simply to power the iPad so it can charge while resting. Drilling holes through shelving is a last resort. Thank you for watching this short video, and thank you for all you do every day.